Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Barbie Glam, the AdoshaWay tutorial. So right now I'm starting off with my Morphe R35 brush, and I'm using that in my favorite palette today, and that's that Morphe Dare to Create palette. And I'm using that pinky purpley look, and I'm putting that in my crease. So today I'm really going to focus on bringing out the pinks. Now I usually use some type of eyeshadow primer, but for some reason today I forgot. But with the Dare to Create palette, you can get vivid colors by just packing on the color. I'm not really sure why I forgot, but the look still came out very cute, so it doesn't matter. So once I've achieved the intensity that I'm going for, next I'm going to grab my Juvia's Masquerade palette, and I'm going into another pink. Not really sure what this pink name is either, but like I said, all the names will either be on the screen and also in the description bar, so just look out for them, they'll be there. So the Coastal Scents brush that I'm using, I'm not sure the number, but it's one of my favorite brushes to use for blending and to pack on color. So what I'm doing is I'm just packing on that color on the inner 1/3 and the outer 1/3 of my eye. Alright, going back into my Juvia's Masquerade palette, I am patting on that champagne color on the center 1/3 of my eye, and I'm just blending that into the pink. Okay, so I wish I had more pinks to choose from, and if you have more pinks then you can definitely work with more colors, but I don't. So in order to give this color more dimension, I'm going to deepen the outer 1/3 of my crease with this eggplant color from the Dare to Create palette. And I don't really want the purple to stand out, I just want to darken the pink. So not too much to make it look like it's a pinky purple look, but enough to darken the outer corner of the pink, if that makes sense. Okay, so the purple is just a little bit too apparent for me, so I'm going back into that pinky I want to say it's like more of like a fuchsia pink, almost, not really, more of a berry pink. But I'm going back into that berry pink color, and I'm just adding that on top of it and on my lower lash line. Okay, and then now to finish the look, I'm going in with my favorite inexpensive drugstore eyeliner, and that is my Wet n Wild eyeliner. I do prefer the non-waterproof over the waterproof simply because of the wand. But if you want to get the waterproof one, I say use that and put it in an old bottle if you have it, or change the wand outs if you can. I'm not really sure if you can, but either do that or just use it to trace over another liner to make it waterproof. Next, I'm going in with my high-end, I guess, mascara, Kush mascara. I will do a review on this mascara. It's not the best that I've tried. I do like my drugstore mascaras a little bit better than this one, but I will say that there's cannabis oil in this one, and I do feel like it has helped my eyelashes tremendously. So I thought I was done with this look, but at random times when I feel like when I want to make the look pop even more, and because I'm going for a grungy glam Barbie look, I really want to bring out the grunge by slitting my eyebrows. I absolutely love slitting my eyebrows. It's something that I used to do back in junior high, or I believe in the beginning of high school. I don't slit my eyebrows anymore because I barely have eyebrows to slit, but I love the fact that I can make it look like my eyebrows is slit by just adding a little bit of concealer onto my eyebrows. And so that's what I'm doing. One slit usually is never enough for me, so I usually go for two. The finishing look. I didn't get to really show y'all. I did my hair and